So this is how you finalize your rotisserie. Homemade. Look at this. So to make it more oriental taste, and since I am from the Orient, so I like to add more 5-spice powder and black peppers, and of course I use the Himalayan salt, and I use the toasted sesame oil, plus I put a kick of avocado oil because we are on ketogenic diet, so that's also the organic MCT. Yeah, that's how it is. Good, so much. And it's so tasty. Look at this. Brilliant. Yeah, and you're gonna, from baking, you're gonna broil it for roughly 30 minutes. And you're gonna open that on the side so that there's absorption, guys. Look at it, so juicy. And you're gonna put butter as well. So let's see where you can put the excess. Well, you just have to do it all with love and care, since this is your family food as well. It's not commercialized, so whatever you want, it's your choice technically. So yeah, that's how I do with the 5-spice. Okay, and you put it also on the soup, so you sprinkle them everywhere so that they have a kick of a Chinese taste. There you go. It's a Chinese, Japanese, and American cuisine technically. And you put whatever salt you want. That's how it works.